The Madurai bench of the Madras High Court has quashed a law passed by the Tamil Nadu government providing 10.5% internal reservation to the one-year community within the 20% earmark for the most backward classes in education and public employment. The court has declared this law unconstitutional. The law was passed by the AIADMK government on February 26, just hours before the Model Code of Conduct kicked in ahead of the assembly elections in the state this year. Subsequently, the DMK government also passed a GO in July 2021 for implementing the reservation. But the legislation was met with severe opposition from other MBC communities and was challenged in the High Court. After an elaborate hearing spanning nearly 3 months, the Madras High Court has now scrapped the legislation. One-years, who are a community of people in northern Tamil Nadu, have been demanding a 20% reservation since the mid-1980s. In 2010, a writ petition was filed in the High Court seeking an internal reservation for the community. Soon after, in 2012, a consultation process was initiated for earmarking an internal reservation for 1 year within the 20% reservation for MBCs. The then chairman of the Tamil Nadu Backward Classes Commission recommended a 10.5% reservation for the 1 year Kula Kshatriya, which includes the 1 year Kaundar or Kandar, Padayachi, Palli and Agnikula Kshatriya communities. His recommendation was based on the door-to-door enumeration conducted by the 2nd Tamil Nadu Backward Classes Commission in 1983. He justified his recommendation by arguing that 1 year constituted 65.04 lakh, which is 13.01% of the state's total population of 4.99 crore in 1983. He claimed that a provision of 10.5% reservation to a community with a population of 13.01% could not be disproportionate. Similarly, shortly before the AIADMK government passed the bill in February 2021, the incumbent chairman of the commission also recommended a 10.5% internal reservation. In 2020, the Patali Makkal Katchi, which has been championing the cause of the 1 years, intensified its protests across the state demanding an internal reservation. This prompted the Tamil Nadu government to form a commission in December 2020 under the chairmanship of retired High Court Judge A. Kulasekaran. The commission was asked to collect quantifiable data on castes, communities and tribes in the state within 6 months. The commission, however, failed to submit its report and got its tenure extended. This has now left the government with no recent data to back the internal reservation. The court, while quashing the reservation today, raised doubts over the state's power to provide reservation based on caste without any quantifiable data on the population's socio-educational status and representation of the backward classes. It noted that the law would likely violate Articles 14, 15 and 16 of the Constitution, which deal with equality and non-discrimination. It also questioned whether an act placed under the 9th schedule of the Indian Constitution can be tweaked without amending it, and whether the state government had the power to take any decision with regard to backward classes when constitutional provisions already existed. The court also asked if the subclassification of MBC into 3 categories could be done solely based on population data in the absence of any objective criteria. The court's move has not only upset the 1 year community but has also left the DMK government embarrassed. A Federal Report.